Tomo Boost Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the fastest way to change your financial future did not involve begging banks for approval, waiting years to qualify, or paying massive interest fees? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume credit building must be slow, stressful, and expensive. The surprising truth about modern credit tools is that some of the most powerful solutions now work quietly in the background, using your real financial behavior to build your credit profile automatically. Today, we are diving deep into Tomo Boost in 2025. We are going to uncover exactly what it is, how it works, who it is best for, who should avoid it, how fast it can impact your credit, and whether it is truly worth your time and money. By the end of this video, you will know whether Tomo Boost deserves a place in your financial life, or whether you should leave it behind. Let's start with the basics. Tomo Boost is a credit-building feature designed to help people build or improve their credit score without using traditional debt-based methods. It is connected to the Tomo card ecosystem, which itself is a credit-building card designed for people with limited or no credit history. Unlike traditional credit cards that focus on borrowing and paying interest, Tomo uses your actual bank balance and spending habits to determine your available credit and build your profile. Tomo Boost takes this idea even further by reporting additional on-time payment activity to the credit bureaus, strengthening your payment history. And payment history is the most powerful part of your credit score. Here's where most people are shocked. You do not need to carry debt to build credit with Tomo Boost. You do not need to pay interest. You do not need a high credit score to qualify. Tomo is built for beginners, immigrants, students, freelancers, and anyone who has struggled to qualify for traditional credit cards. So how does Tomo Boost actually work? Once you are inside the Tomo ecosystem, Tomo Boost analyzes your bank account activity. It looks at your income patterns, spending habits, and balances. Based on this real data, Tomo creates additional positive credit entries that get reported to the credit bureaus. These entries show consistent on-time payment behavior, even though you are not borrowing new money or paying interest. Over time, these reports strengthen your payment history, which can significantly raise your credit score. You won't believe what happens next. As these extra positive records stack up month after month, your credit profile becomes more attractive to lenders. Your score can rise steadily. Your file becomes thicker and more stable. This makes it easier to qualify for apartments, car loans, personal loans, and traditional credit cards with better terms. Now let's talk about who Tomo Boost is really for. Tomo Boost is ideal for people who are starting from scratch. If you are new to the country, new to credit, or rebuilding after past mistakes, Tomo Boost can give your credit file the activity it needs to grow. It is also great for people who want to avoid debt traps. Many traditional credit cards come with high interest rates that punish you if you ever carry a balance. Tomo Boost avoids this problem entirely by focusing on real money and real behavior, not borrowed money. Now let's talk about speed. While no credit tool can magically transform your score overnight, many users start seeing measurable improvements within a few months. Consistent positive reporting is the key. The longer you stay consistent, the stronger the results. Let's walk through an example. Imagine someone named Maria. Maria recently moved to a new country and has no credit history. She cannot qualify for traditional credit cards. She signs up for Tomo and activates Tomo Boost. Over the next 6 months, Tomo Boost reports consistent positive payment activity based on her real spending and bank account balance. Her credit score slowly starts to appear. She becomes eligible for basic credit products. Over time, her financial options expand. This is the power of Tomo Boost. Now let's talk about the cost. Tomo Boost may involve a small monthly fee depending on your plan. This fee supports the reporting, account maintenance, and credit building infrastructure. Compared to the interest costs on traditional credit cards, this fee is often much lower and more predictable. However, you should still consider your budget carefully. Any financial tool should support your life, not stress it. Now let's be honest about limitations. Tomo Boost is not a magic wand. It works best when combined with other responsible habits. You still need to manage your bills, avoid unnecessary debt, and keep your finances stable. Tomo Boost also does not replace long-term credit products like mortgages or auto loans. It is a foundation, not a final destination. So now the big question: is Tomo Boost worth it in 2025? If you are new to credit, rebuilding, or struggling to get approved by traditional banks, Tomo Boost can be a powerful stepping stone. It builds your profile safely, consistently, and without interest traps. If you already have excellent credit, multiple accounts, and a long positive history, Tomo Boost may not add much value to your situation. So the answer is simple. Tomo Boost is worth it for beginners and rebuilders. It is less useful for people who are already well established. Now let's talk about how to get the best results. Always keep your bank account stable. Consistency is everything. Let Tomo Boost do its job quietly in the background. Combine it with good habits like paying your bills on time and living within your means. When you do this, you are not just improving a number, you are building financial freedom. Let's wrap this up. Tomo Boost in 2025 represents a smarter, safer way to build credit in the modern world. It removes the stress, removes the debt traps, and replaces them with real behavior-based reporting that works steadily over time. If you want a credit-building solution that works quietly, consistently, and responsibly, Tomo Boost deserves serious consideration. Your financial future is closer than you think. And now you know the surprising truth. Sometimes, the best credit-building tools are the ones that don't feel like credit tools at all.